Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing right on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Let's go ahead and get out a nice little bowl because this is gonna make roughly about 2.5 cups. So you don't need that big of a bowl. Now, in this bowl, we're gonna sit there and put 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar and 3/4 of a cup of our white granulated sugar. Here's my white sugar. Here is my brown sugar. 1/2 cup paprika. 1/4 cup onion powder. Or not onion powder, I'm sorry, garlic powder. So that just was 1/4 cup garlic powder. 2 tablespoons black pepper. Oh, I might have to get a bigger bowl. 2 tablespoons ground ginger. And there's our second one. 2 tablespoons onion powder. And 1 tablespoon of the hickory barbecue seasoning. Okay, while I was getting that barbecue hickory seasoning, I also went ahead and I grabbed a larger size bowl. So let's just dump all this goodness right into the larger bowl. And now let's just add that hickory seasoning. I'm gonna go grab a spoon and we're gonna mix this all up. I grabbed myself a spoon and now let's just go in and mix all this goodness up. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be using this in the next recipe that's gonna be coming out. So you'll be able to sit there and see how I use my Memphis dust here and I make it into one extraordinary dish. So be sure to follow along. That way you won't miss that next recipe that uses this. So I'm gonna quit the jabbering and I'm gonna get to the mixing. And take your time when you're mixing it. You're gonna wanna make sure you have everything like that clump. You don't want any of them. So just take your time. Now I'm gonna go get myself a canning jar to put this all in. I grabbed myself a mason jar. Now, I'm just gonna sit there and put all this Memphis dust right into my mason jar, and I'm gonna be sure to label it. And I'm gonna leave out what I'm gonna be needing for the following recipe. So if you wanna know how to use this up, that's the very next recipe down the chute. So here is my Memphis dust dry rub that I put into my mason jar. Now, like I said, I need some for my very next recipe, so I left some out and you'll be seeing that real soon. So, if you liked this little Memphis dust dry rub recipe that I showed you, please give me a big old thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps out my channel greatly, and I do appreciate it. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified of the next time I do put out a new video. And believe me, if you want to know how I use this, you're going to want to click that little subscribe button and that little bell, because the next video is going to be showing me how I use that Memphis Dust dry rub. So, on to the recipe, and as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all have a great day, and y'all come back now. You hear?